Hello everyone, welcome to Beta Creations. In this video, I am going to tell dish antenna. Don't you see a wire over there? See? So the electrical signal goes to this coaxial wire to the feed. So this is the feed. The wire goes to the feed. The signal goes through the wire to the feed, and from the feed, the signal gets reflected by this dish antenna, by this parabolic dish. This reflecting dish surface reflects the signals from the feed to the free space. So the signal strikes at the dish surface, and this wave gets reflected from the dish surface. So a parabolic dish antenna is also known as parabolic reflector antenna. It has a high gain of 30 decibel to 70 decibel. It is used at microwave frequency in communication, satellite ground station, radar and radio observatory applications. So since it works in microwave frequency, it is used in communication, satellite ground station, radar and radio observatory applications. Now talking the main important part of a parabolic dish antenna is its parabolic reflecting surface. Okay, it's the most important component of the parabolic dish antenna. So how this reflector how we obtain this reflector? So the parabolic, so we can this is very important. Okay, we can obtain the reflector in two ways. We can obtain the parabolic dish antenna using this reflector in two ways. Either parabolic cylinder with the dipole as feed. We are placing the feed in this parabolic cylinder. We are placing the dipole as a feed, and second one is parabolic metallic surface illuminated or fed by a small primary feed antenna placed at focus. So how that is? This is a parabolic metallic surface, okay, and I'm taking a small primary feed. A small primary feed is placed at the focus. We know that we have learned in optics during our school days that rays parallel to principal axis pass through principal focus after reflection, and rays through principal focus parallel as rays parallel to principal axis after reflection. The same principle we are using here. Since we are placing at focus the feed, since we are placing the feed at focus, the waves reflected from the feed strikes the parabolic reflecting surface and gets reflected as the rays parallel to principal axis. See, and similarly the rays coming parallel to principal axis after striking at parabolic reflecting surface pass through principal focus after reflection. And what do we are having at principal focus? Feed point is kept at principal focus, and from this feed point we are taking the signal either by waveguide or optical fiber cable or coaxial cable and so on. So that is what a parabolic dish antenna is. And since these rays are reflected from a parabolic surface, it forms a parallel rays of plane waves and produce a very narrow beam. Okay, since a parabolic surface, it produces a very narrow beam of electromagnetic signals in direction perpendicular to the open aperture. Now, what are the main characteristics of parabolic dish antenna? First one is the main beam width is very narrow. I told you its electromagnetic signal produces a very narrow beam of electromagnetic signals. The plane waves are very narrow beam of electromagnetic signals. The first characteristic is the main beam width is very narrow because of large aperture size. Because of large aperture size, main beam width is very narrow. Second one is gain is very high. So that's characteristics. First one is main bandwidth is very narrow because of large aperture size. Second one, its gain is very high. The third one, it is used for point to communication. Say when we say point to point communication, we can use it in radars, satellite ground station and radio stations. Okay, we can use in radio stations, and for point to point, it's used for point to point communications, radars, satellite ground stations and radio stations. So this is what a parabolic antenna is. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. If you like, please subscribe to Beta Creations.